for electronic chart displayed information system for ICTIS. Route planning 11.3.1. It should be possible to carry out route planning including both straight and curved segments. 11.3.2. It should be possible to adjust a planned route alphanumerically and graphically, including adding waypoints to a route. So 11.3.4. It should be possible to plan one or more alternative routes in addition to the selected route. The selected route should be clearly distinguishable from the other routes. 11.3.4. A graphical indication is required if the mariner plans a route closer than a user-specified distance from all ship safety contour. 11.3.5. If a mariner plans a route closer than a user-defined distance from a selected category of prohibited or special condition areas or from certain point object like aids to navigation or isolated dangers, a graphical warning should be shown. Additionally, when any user selectable object categories are torn off, permanent notice must appear with the option to view detail on demand. So 11.3.6. It should be possible for the mariner to select that the indication of 11.3.4 and 11.3.5. So it take into account accuracy information of relevant hydrographic information as defined by IHO standards. 11.3.7. It should also be possible to perform a complete route check to support the appraisal and planning process according to the applicable parts of Region A.899321 detected. So 11.3.8. It should be possible for the mariner to specify cross-track limit of deviation from the planned route and which automatic track alarm should be activated. So thank you.